Okay, welcome guys. We are going to do weekly market breakdown as usual on the trading in shadows. I wish we could do start with the Euro USD and see what's going on. So here let us start with the weekly time frame, I mean a 3-month time frame to see what's going on. As you can see here we have 3-month upper zone, and here we have a 3-month lower zone. As you can see, we are in consolidation where we are seeing equal highs and equal lows. Let's go in a monthly time frame to see what's going on. Okay, this is a monthly midway zone. This is monthly midway zone. Okay, this is monthly midway zone. Open. As you can see, we have been in a break of, look at here, break of structure, consolidation, break of structure into uptrend to create higher high. So let us see if the price is going to come to retest there in order to form a new higher low before price keeping moving in uptrend in order to retest this 3-month resistance, because I've seen that you are in a consolidation zone in 3-month time frame. Okay, so here in the monthly time frame we expect that the price might return back here to complete this higher low before keeping moving in uptrend. Let's go in the weekly time frame to see what is going on, because as you can see here we have a liquidity, because this monthly zone is not retested. Okay, as you can see we have been in an uptrend. We are seeing here higher high, break of structure, higher low, higher high, but as you can see the structure is not clear, but you can expect that the price will come to retest here fully before keeping moving in uptrend. But again, if you can see clearly, we are seeing that, okay, look, we are seeing that we have been on a weekly time frame here. Look, we have been in a consolidation zone, but sellers managed to break the support. Look, we have been in a consolidation initially like this. Buyers managed to break structure to create higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low. But if you can see clearly, the sellers managed to break the weekly support. So let's go in the daily time frame to see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, that's what I was saying. We have been in a consolidation zone or in a range. Even here on a daily time frame is very clear. Look, but the sellers have managed to break the daily support. So let us see if the sellers are strong enough to keep moving in order to test this monthly support before keeping moving in upward. So let us go in H4 to see if we can capitalize on this breakout. Okay, here we have been seeing the clear downtrend. Okay, this downtrend is very clear. As you can see, we are in a very beautiful downtrend where we are seeing higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, break of structure to create a lower low, lower high, break of structure to create a lower low, lower high, and so the sellers managed to break the daily or the weekly support. Okay, weekly resistance. at this moment. As you can see, this was a lower high. So in H4, we are expecting that the sellers are going to keep moving down. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, cool. Now it's visible. We are going to wait for this complete break of structure, and then wait for this pullback here in order to retest this daily or this daily or weekly support in order to enter for selling and target this monthly support, so that we are going to wait for the complete breakout of structure, then wait for this retest or pullback to create the new lower high, and then we enter for sale. This is a very clear structure. So let us wait for the next week to come, so that we capitalize on this move and target this monthly support like this. Okay, as you can, let's go on the GBP GPY and see what's going on. Also, as you can see, let us start in a 3-month time frame. In the GBP GPY, we have been seeing GBP GPY have been seeing 3-month midway zone, 3-month lower zone, and 3-month upper zone. As you can see, we are in an uptrend, because we are seeing that the price managed to break the monthly midway zone to create higher high, higher low, and then we expect that the price is going to keep moving upward. Let's go in the monthly time frame to see what's going on. Okay. As you can see, we are still in an uptrend where we are seeing higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low. So we can expect that the price is going to keep moving in an uptrend. Let's go in the weekly time frame to see what's going on. Okay. Okay. As you can see, also we are in a very beautiful uptrend where we are seeing a break of structure to create higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, retest higher low. Expect that the price is going to keep moving in an uptrend. Let's go in the daily time frame to see what's going on there. Here in daily time frame, you are seeing that we have been in uptrend where the buyers managed to break the weekly resistance. Okay, break of structure to create higher high, higher low. We expect that the price will keep moving in an uptrend, but we are seeing that there is a lot of sellers on this weekly resistance. This weekly resistance where we are seeing only this daily. Let's go in the H4 time frame to see what's going on. Okay, as you can see here in the H4 time frame, we are seeing an uptrend, still an uptrend, where we are seeing higher high and the higher low. Okay, look, I've been seeing this have been a consolidation, initially consolidation, break of structure to create a higher high, retest the higher low, break of structure higher high, and retest to create the higher low. So we expect that the price is going to return back in uptrend in order to retest fully on this weekly resistance. So here we are on this support. We are going to wait for the confirmation candles, where you can expect that here is like a liquidity grab. So you are going to wait for the rejection candle retest like this, so that you can automatically enter for buy, because here it's like a manipulation being formed. So we are going to wait for the black of the complete confirmation. We can see the bullish momentum, because this bearish momentum is still very strong. So we are going to stay waiting enough in order to see the bullish momentum stepping in, so that we can see whether we can enter. So we can keep patient, because here is going to be something like a liquidity grab. After the liquidity sweep, we are automatically going to enter for buy automatically. So let's wait for the next week to come and see what's going to happen. Okay, because we are in a beautiful clear uptrend. Let's go on the next pair of card, the GPY, and see what also going on. Where we go, start with 3-month time frame. Okay. This how it is in a 3-month. We are seeing uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we expect that the price is going to keep moving in uptrend in order to complete another higher high. Let's go in a monthly time frame. A very beautiful structure of uptrend. We are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we expect that the price is going to keep moving in order to fully retest this 3-month upper zone. Okay, let's go in weekly time frame to see what's going on. Also, as you can see, in weekly time frame, look, let's see what's going on. We have been in an uptrend in this weekly time frame. Guys, as you can see, we are in an uptrend where we're seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, retest higher low. So we expect that the price is going to keep moving in an uptrend. Okay, where we are seeing this is weekly upper zone. This is a weekly upper zone. And let's go in a daily to see what's going on. As you can see, we are in a beautiful uptrend, as I was saying. Okay, initially we're in a range or consolidation. We are seeing equal high and equal lows, but the buyers managed to break the structure of daily structure, and then we, after breaking structure, we're waiting to see the retest before we enter for buy in order to target this upper zone or weekly upper zone. Let's go in H4 time frame to see what's going on. Okay, in this H4 we're in a very beautiful uptrend, as you can see. Okay, guys, swing trading is about the patience, because it requires patience. You have been in an uptrend where lack of structure to create higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The lack of structure or the daily resistance was broken to create higher high. So expect that the price is going to come to retest here on this daily support before we enter for buy in order to retest that weekly resistance we have seen in a day like this. We expect that the price is going to return back on this daily support in order to retest fully before we enter for buy. So this is going to take us patient enough, because this setup is going to take almost like 3 to 4 days in formation before being clear enough. So swing trading is very patient game, but it really works. We are going to wait for this complete retest. Here I may expect the formation of double top, meaning double bottom, before we enter for buy. Remember, we always think in probabilities and what might happen. And then after formation of this complete higher low, we are going to automatically enter for buy like this. Going to enter for buy. So this is the setup we are waiting for, and this is the GBP GPY as I'm saying. Okay, this is GBP GPY also as I'm saying, and this is Euro USD as trying to show you. Let's show this Euro USD in daily time frame to see it clearly. Okay, this is my prediction of the next week. We are going to see break of this daily support in order to test it, and then we enter for sale. This is enough for today. Thank you.